Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's listen and repeat the words thank, that, bath, bath or bathe we can say, thought, mother, thin, this, think, weather. Repeat the words thank, bath, thought, thin, think. And again repeat these words that, bath, mother, this, weather. If you listen carefully, you will get here the voiced. Yes, we call this as voiced letters and here voiced fricatives. Yes, I call these two types of words as fricatives. Why? Because these sounds are produced with friction. Hence, they are called fricatives. And here we have a symbol for the th sound, and we have a symbol for the sound. The sound is this one, the sound is this one. Listen carefully. The, thank, bath, thought, thin, think. We can clearly listen that it don't have the voice. So we call it as voiceless fricative, and the is voiced fricative. So these are called dental fricatives. Both these the are called dental fricatives because the front part of tongue touches behind the upper teeth while producing the sound. You can carry on with your speech. Thank, the, bath, bathe. See here, the tongue is touching the upper teeth while producing. Okay? For more videos, subscribe my channel and get the information. Thank you for listening.